Episode 1 of 3. Everyday autonomous machines, cars and social robots. This is the first part of a 3-episode documentary series on autonomous systems. Episode 1 focuses on everyday machines, cars and social robots. Episode 2 moves into autonomous weapons, and Episode 3 connects all 3 themes. Next we will look into the core functionalities and features, providing a detailed overview of their capabilities. Autonomous cars and social robots are becoming part of daily life. They make decisions without constant human supervision. These decisions influence safety, privacy, and fairness. Because these systems operate close to people, their behavior becomes a matter of ethics, not only engineering. Self-driving cars are often discussed through the lens of the trolley problem. Modern ethics shifts the focus away from abstract moral dilemmas. The priority is to design vehicles that avoid catastrophic situations. That means conservative driving behavior, strong sensor systems and careful testing. Whenever an autonomous car harms someone, responsibility becomes unclear. Developers, manufacturers, drivers, data providers, and regulators all contribute to how the system behaves. This creates a responsibility gap. For accountability to work, decisions must remain traceable. Social robots introduce different risks. In homes, classrooms, and care facilities, people often form emotional bonds with robots. These machines display social cues through voice, gesture, or visual design. Humans respond instinctively, but robots cannot reciprocate. This can lead to over-reliance or reduced human contact. Privacy becomes a major issue. Many robots collect audio, video, and behavioral data. In domestic and care environments, the information can be highly sensitive. Ethical design favors local processing, data minimization, and strict protections. Not all data should be stored, and sharing must be limited. Fairness issues arise when models are trained on narrow datasets. A self-driving car that performs well in one country may struggle elsewhere. A social robot trained on limited speech samples may misinterpret certain users. Validating systems across diverse conditions becomes essential. Robots can also influence behavior. A robot that encourages daily activity may unintentionally pressure a user. Support becomes manipulation when people cannot clearly judge the nature of the interaction. Regulation provides structure. Safety standards, accountability rules, and data governance frameworks create guardrails for deployment. Ethical use requires strong oversight and incident reporting. Episode 2 examines autonomous weapons. The same ethical themes appear, but the stakes escalate significantly. This concludes Episode 1. Continue with Episode 2 for the military dimension and Episode 3 for the full ethical overview.